Exam 1, Project 4. Question 1, Task 1, convert the cell range from A3 to E14, so A3 to E14, to a table named contacts. So I go to Insert, Table. My table has headers, so I say OK. And you can see it's called a Table 1. But if I go into the Table Tools, I can change that to what I want it to be, which is Contacts, and make sure you press Enter. Okay. Task number 2, remove the table row from May 2020. Now, be very careful. If you select this row, so if I select the whole row and delete that, that is not the answer to the question. You're only asked to remove a table row, not the row in the spreadsheet. If I click into May 2020 and right click on it, you can see I have the delete option. I can delete the table row. So the table row is gone. That's the way you have to do it. Task number 3, filter the table data to display only data where the service inquiries are greater than 3,000 and less than 5,000. So I want to put a filter on. Well, the filter is on. If it's not on, you go to data and you click on the filter option, which toggles it on and off. And the filter I want to put on is on the, let me see, service inquiries. So I click on the pull down and I'm going to go into number filters. And the one I want is greater than 3,000. Greater than 3,000. And less than, so and, the radio button for and is selected. And is less than 5,000. So it's a custom autofilter. Press OK and you can see we don't have too many records left. Okay, task number 4, sort the data in the table by complaints in descending order and then by month in ascending order. Well, of course, what I should have done here first is to tell you to remove the filter so that you have more data to sort. So I'm going to do that, and when you see this, the question will ask you to do that. So I'll remove the filter. So I click on this and I'll clear the filter from service inquiries. Okay, there's no more filter on the data. So now I want to sort the data. So clicking anywhere into the table itself, and I go to the sort option. And it's asking me firstly to sort the data by complaints in descending order. So I select the field I want to sort by, which is complaints, in descending order, so largest to smallest. And now I have a second level, so I have to add a second level. And the second level is month in ascending order. So month in ascending order. Now, oldest to newest and newest to oldest. So which is ascending order? I'd say oldest to newest. It's a mute point and an interesting question, but it is oldest to newest. It's like going from smallest to largest, ascending. And there's the answer to the question. Task number 5, apply a total row to the table which shows the average number of complaints per month. So I'm in the table, I can go to Table Tools and I apply a total row. Now what I'm asked to do is show the average number of complaints per month. So be careful. So when I click into this little button here, I have the option to select the function that I want to use. The default is the sum, but I don't want that. I want the average, so I'll change it to average, and the average is 15. So that's the correct answer. Task number 6. Use conditional formatting to apply the yellow fill with dark yellow text to any cells in the service inquiries column. So it's only the service inquiries column where the service inquiries exceed 5,000. So I select the column and I go to the Home tab, conditional formatting. And the criteria is service inquiries exceed 5,000. So I'll highlight cells greater than 5,000, and I want it to be yellow fill with dark yellow text. So on the pull down here, I have yellow fill with dark yellow text. Press OK, and there's the answer. So that's the end of Exam 1, Project 4.